Hi everyone, welcome back to Control-Ed channel. If you're a fan of smartphones, especially the budget-friendly options, then you've probably heard of the Redmi Note series. Today, we're diving deep into comparing the key features of Redmi Note 12 versus Note 13 and Note 14. So, whether you're eyeing a new phone or just curious about how this series has evolved, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on more tech comparisons. Let's take it back to the beginning. The Redmi Note 12 was released into the market on 2023, January 11th. Redmi Note 13 was released on 2024, January 10th, and Redmi Note 14, the latest of the series, was released on 2025, January 16th. By today's standards, the early models may seem basic, but they laid the foundation for what the Redmi Note series would become, a budget powerhouse. Now let's talk about network support. All three phones operates on the same network capabilities: GSM, HSPA, LTE, 5G. Let's look at the size and weight of these phones. Redmi Note 12 in inches is 6.53 x 300 x 0.31 inches, and it weighs about 183.5 grams. Redmi Note 13, on the other hand, is slightly smaller, with a size of 634 295 x 030 inches, and weighing around 188.5 grams. And Redmi Note 14 size is 639 x 298 x 031 inches, and weighs 200 grams. Next is SIM compatibility. All three phones are equipped with the same SIM capabilities. They support Nano SIM plus Nano SIM. In terms of water and dust resistant, Redmi Note 12 is IP53 rated, Redmi Note 13 is IP54 rated, and Redmi Note 14 is IP64 rated. Now let's talk about the display size, type, resolution, and protection. All three phones comes with a 6.67 inches AMOLED display, 1080 x 2400 pixels display resolution, and Corning Gorilla Glass. It is good to point out here that both Redmi Note 13 and Redmi Note 14 shares the same Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which is an upgrade to Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which Note 12 uses. Moving on to performance, Redmi Note 12 runs on Qualcomm SM4375, Snapdragon 4 Gen 1, Adreno 619, Android 12, MIUI 14, and comes with an internal storage of 128GB 4GB RAM, 128GB 6GB RAM, or 256GB 8GB RAM. Redmi Note 13 runs on the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 6080, Mali G57 MC2, Android 13, upgradable to Android 14, and comes with an internal storage of 128GB 6GB RAM, 256GB 8GB RAM, 256GB 12GB RAM, or 512GB 12GB RAM. Whilst on the other hand, Redmi Note 14 runs on a more powerful MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra chipset for better gaming performance. The GPU is IMG BXM8256 and Android 14, HyperOS as operating system. This phone comes with an internal storage of 128GB 6GB RAM, 256GB 8GB RAM, or 512GB 12GB RAM. These phones will definitely set the tone for what we could expect from future devices in the series. What's really impressive is how Redmi has maintained affordability while pushing the envelope with features like 120Hz refresh rate, bigger 5000 mAh high-capacity batteries with a charging speed of 33 watts, and flagship-grade cameras. Now let's talk cameras. I'm sure this is the part you have been waiting for. Redmi Note 12. Main camera features 50MP and selfie camera of 13MP, dual LED dual-tone flash, and a video recording at 1080p. Redmi Note 13. Main camera features 108MP and selfie camera of 16MP, LED flash, HDR, panorama, and a video recording at 1080p. Interestingly, Redmi Note 14 shares similar camera details as Redmi Note 13. Final thoughts and recommendations. So after all these years and multiple generations, which Redmi Note phone is right for you? If you're looking for great value for money, a Redmi Note 12 or 13 is probably the best choice for most people. If you need something ultra-budget but still want a solid experience, the Redmi Note 14 or even Note 14 Pro might suit your needs. Ultimately, the Redmi Note series has come a long way, offering a great balance of design, performance, and features without breaking the bank. Let me know in the comments which generation of the Redmi Note series has been your favorite, or if you're planning to buy one soon. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay techie.